For the next question, we're going to do an example with a coefficient that's a fraction. Now, same deal, I'm going to get this variable term by itself, which means I'm going to move the minus 9 out of there by adding 9 to both sides. And that's going to give me 2/3 x on the left, and on the right, you're going to get 21. And again, remember that we have this barrier going on. You're going to get the x by itself by removing this coefficient. Now, in the previous example, we divided by the coefficient. You could divide by 2/3, but dividing by fractions is a real pain. And in fact, the rule for dividing fractions is multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. And that's exactly what we're going to do to both sides. We're going to multiply by the reciprocal, in this case, of the coefficient of the variable. And whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. And the nice thing is multiplication is commutative. So it doesn't even matter whether we put the 2/3 multiplication in front or after. So I'm going to just change this right away. The dot means multiply. I'm going to multiply by 3/2 and multiply by 3/2. Now the reason that this works is that when you did this multiplication of fractions, you would get 6/6, or more easily seen, you cancel. The 3 with the 3 gives 1 and 1, the 2 with the 2 gives 1 and 1, and you wind up with just 1x. We don't need to write that 1. Now on the other side, top times top, bottom times bottom. Be careful. If you're going to mess up, put a 1 on the bottom so that you don't mess up with the thinking you have to multiply by both of them or something. So 21 times 3 is 63, and 1 times 2 is 2. And as I said in the previous question, what format of this answer do we need? As a reduced fraction in improper form, that's the best way. And then we can manipulate this whatever way we might need for the actual answer if it's connected to a problem. And that's it for now.